Still searching for that perfect dessert recipe that you can prepare in your own kitchen? Well, here at the Side Guy Cooks, we created a great recipe for you with Strawberry Coconut Crescent Stack. So let's get started. Let's toast the coconut. Set your timer for 4 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Let's prepare the crescent squares. Set your timer for 10 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Strawberries have been consumed since ancient times. By the 1300s, Europeans were transplanting wild strawberries into their gardens. By the 1750s, French gardeners crossbred 2 species, creating garden strawberries, the sweet, juicy variety we know today. Today, about 70% of North American strawberries are grown in California. Let's make the white chocolate ganache. Time for the strawberries. Let's build the dish. Use a piping bag for the white chocolate ganache. Everybody loves fresh strawberries, those amazing toasted coconut flakes, and a dusting of powdered sugar. Repeat until your stack is complete. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's dive in. Wow, soft and crispy layers of golden crescent pastry around luscious blend of silky white chocolate and ripe strawberries. Kiss with toasted coconuts for a tropical crunch. Finally dusted with powdered sugar, this is the dessert you will enjoy. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one amazing dessert. Stay with us, watch the next video.